So this video is all about sharing my perspective of how to make this plant so clean, so beautiful, so healthy, so hygienic. And so this is my perspective, which I'm going to share just within a couple of minutes. And you have your own perspective, which is genuine, which can be different, it can be unique. And I love to hear your perspective. So please mention in the comment how you think about this and how you make, what's your perspective behind how to make this planet much clean, much beautiful. Okay. So you might have observed this. We all have the habit of cleaning our rooms or our homes or our living areas. And we don't have the habit of cleaning our colony, our streets, our colleges. We don't have this habit, our playground. Generally, a person is going to clean all these things. This has happened. Then somehow we say this, we have the habit of cleaning our rooms, but not habit of cleaning our areas or where we work upon or spending our time. And I realized that we clean our room because we don't use sleepers in our room. Maybe it looks very awkward, and maybe I will not able to share this in the right manner. And in our rooms, we don't use the sleeper. We don't use the sleeper. That's why it is important to clean the rooms, because if you don't clean the room and don't use the sleeper, then somehow we make our legs dirty. पैर गंदे हो जाएंगे. So that's why it is very important. That's why two things we can do. Either we clean our rooms or we can use the sleepers, so that I can avoid the dirt to come in the touch of our legs. If you apply the same thought, same similarities in our real life, for example, just take a playground. If from tomorrow onwards, if we take a decision that we don't use the sleepers in the playground, maybe we don't use, then we want to clean playground, because unless if it is not clean, then the dirt comes in our legs, and we don't want to do that. We don't want to make our life unhygienic. If tomorrow onwards, if the way you go to the campus from the areas, from the routes or from the streets, and you don't use a sleeper in that, so it is very important for you to clean the route, because when you don't clean the route, then somehow आपके पैर गंदे हो जाएंगे, then you feel unhygienic, uncomfortable. So if you all want to clean this planet, and one thought is that we humans can go anywhere, any planet, any place on this planet Earth. We can somehow, हम लोग हर जगह जा रहे हैं, and when you just go that place, we don't use the sleeper on that place, then somehow we clean that area. We don't make this dirty, because if the dirt is there, we want to clean that, because मतलब वो dirts मेरे पे मत apply हो, वो मेरे को ना लगे. So I thought that if you make a habit of living our life without the sleepers or without any covering of our legs, then somehow we make this planet more beautiful. So this is my perspective behind. Maybe this looks very awkward, but it can, if you can do this, if you all do this, then of course at a nominal amount, we make this planet Earth very beautiful or clean. This is my perspective. So this is Pawan signing out. Until we meet again. Good morning. Thank you.